Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage C, the computer, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The button was pressed and the machine began to whir as it powered on. The screen blinked and code ran down the screen. Peter felt excited. It was the first time the computer had been turned on in 15 years, and he had not expected it to work. At that moment, his mum entered the room and tripped over the power cord. The screen went blank. Peter hoped it would work again. Questions. What did Peter do in sentence 1? Why was Peter excited? What is the meaning of ran as it is used in the text? Why did the screen go blank? Now let's check the answers. What did Peter do in sentence 1? Peter turned on the computer. We know that because it says a button was pressed, and we know that it says a machine began to whir as it powered on. So the suggestion is that it's Peter turning on a computer, as we hear about Peter later in the text. Why was Peter excited? Two possible reasons. We could say the computer turned on for the first time in 15 years. Or we could say he was surprised because he had not expected the computer to work. Suggest another word for ran as it is used in the text. Here is the word ran. Well, we could say moved, descended, or we could say displayed. All good options. Why did the screen go blank? It went blank because Peter's mum tripped over the cord that powered the computer. Or you could say because the computer lost power. And here we can see his mum entering the room and tripping over the power cord. Thank you for your time. How did you go?